Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a dolphin. Let's start. At the start I bet it won't look like a dolphin. It could look like something else. Well, I don't know that. First make a small curve. And then a C. And now a L. All of them are letters right now. And then a U. It says arms, I think. And line. And then a fin. Yeah, it's his fin. It could be his arm. And now, here to see. Mine's too big, I think. I don't know if I'm wrong. And then an S. And then this. A L, a M. And now a fin. And now a back one. I thought the dolphin was this way. It's actually this way. And now a curve. It's starting to look like the dolphin. And now, so we have a C. It's eyes now, which is oval. And now C, and then a circle here, and so let me color my name. There. Oh, it's so cute. And now a line, and it's a J smile. We're done. It's time to color. I'm going to do this dark one, my blue. It's dark blue. And color this one. You can color it any color, like purple, blue, and stuff like that. Just make sure to make it pretty. But I think they're usually blue because they live in water. But they couldn't, because when the water is blue and when you look at the dolphins in the water, it looks blue, I think. We're done coloring. We both colored blue. Bye!